Irene, 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 I can't stand to watch the weatherman. Irene, 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 please don't kill me just because you can. You're gonna wipe out half the nation. You're making me have an evacuation. Please don't make me cancel all my plans. 'Cause when you're here, my house will shake. I'm still freaked out from the damn earthquake. Please don't kill me just because you can. Irene,